Hey everybody, this is going to be level 2 of the Cheat Engine games. So fire up level 2 by going to Help, Cheat Engine Tutorial Games. Go ahead and fire up level 2. So it says here that there are two enemies who have more health and do more damage to you than you do to them. Your goal is to destroy them, right? And it gives you a hint and says that enemy and player are related. So the first thing that we want to do, because the game's telling us that they do more damage to us than them, we want to find our player health, right? So in order to do that, let me increase the size. Excuse me, increase the size here. Increase the size of this so you guys can see this. First off, let's attach the process to the game. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do we're going to search for a scan type of exact value of 4 bytes, because we're assuming that this is going to be, the player health is an integer. So we'll do 100 and we'll do a first scan. Doesn't really narrow it down for us. It's searching in memory right now. So let's go ahead and, fire a shot. Okay, so now it's at 96, and it looks like this might be our health right here, but just to be sure, let's search for 96 and do a next scan. And yeah, so this is where our player health is in memory. Double click it to add it to your cheat table, and go ahead and double click where it says no description, and you can add a description to say player health and press enter. You don't need to make it active or not. We're just going to be modifying it directly in memory. So to test this, let's actually double click on value and change it back to 100. And then let's fire one shot and see what it does. Yeah, so as you can see, it went back to 100, but because it seems like it didn't change because it went back to 100, but then we lost 4 because we fired a shot. So it's working, right? Okay, great. So now we need to find the health of these two enemies, right? So let's start with the left one. And what we can do is we can let's do a new scan here. We don't know its initial value, right? It doesn't have a numerical health bar, it just has a visual. So we're going to change the scan type to unknown initial value, and we can make a good assumption that it's also an integer. Maybe it's a float, but we're going to leave it at 4 bytes for an integer. Whoops, sorry. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do a couple damage to this enemy right here. And then let's do, oh, sorry. Do the first scan of the unknown initial value. Now let's do some damage. Let's go ahead and reset our health so we don't die. And then our next scan is going to be decreased value, but we don't know exactly by what. Next scan. Okay. Let's do some more damage. 3 shots here. And then we're going to do a next scan for decreased value. Okay, not really narrowing it down. That's okay. Let's do some more damage. Decreased value. Okay, this is interesting right here. So here, this looks like it could be the health of one of this guy right here, right? So let's actually go ahead and double click on this and keep track of it. To test this, let's reset our health again. To test this, let's change the value here to 30. Okay, and there you go. See, so we've identified left enemy health. Okay, and we're changing it to 30. Great. So let's go ahead and find the enemy of the right. I'm sorry, the health of the right enemy. We're doing a new scan. We'll do an unknown initial value of 4 bytes. This, assuming it's going to be the same as an integer as this guy, as our left enemy. Let's do some damage. Oh, I forgot to do the first scan. Whoops. Let's change this to decrease value. Let's try that again. Do some damage. Okay, so do next scan, right? Okay, not really narrowing it down for us. That's okay. We'll do this. Next scan. Okay. 1892. I don't know what that will be referring to. Let's reset our health so we don't die. Let's go ahead and damage him again, and we'll do a next scan. Okay, so 186. This has got to be player 2, right? It's the same kind of where I guess it starts at 200. This has got to be player 2. It's a different memory address than our I'm sorry, right enemy health. It's different than our left enemy health, right? For now, let's name it right enemy health. Okay, and let's test by setting it to, I don't know, 10. Okay, so we've successfully found it, right? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to set each of these to 1, and we'll set the left enemy health to 1. Let's try to set our health to, I don't know, maybe 500 and see if that works, right? So I think what we can do is maybe destroy him and then maybe destroy him first. Ah, okay. Oh, well, it gives us the well done. Okay, so I kind of, maybe not really the solution that the author was looking for, but we got it, right? So we were successfully able to identify through the scan types and the value types and looking through the memory, kind of using a little bit of our uneducated guess, yeah, uneducated guess. And yeah, so this is a little bit more complicated than level 1 maybe. So let me know if you want me to go on to level 3 or maybe something else for Cheat Engine. All right, see you later.